Hi, sweetheart. There's a station right there, and then the beach is behind us. So I'm gonna take y'all down to the beach with me. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the experience. And as you can see my Dolica's outfit, we finna go to the beach today. Yup. But anyway, enough of the talking. I'm gonna take y'all to the beach with me, and welcome back to Live for the Experience. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and let's go have some fun.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit.
Now back to our show.
We are at the beach right now. I don't know what this beach is called, I can't tell you, but we're here. So we just set up the station. Yeah, you're looking all good, all tropical, because we got the coconut trees in the cut. Know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, this is my favorite pizza, like just jalapeno and cheese, nothing else. Huh?
It's a real mess. I can see the love on your face for it.
All I need is spice. All I need is some spice on my bread, and that's it. That's where we're at. There's a station right there, and then the beach is behind us. So I'm gonna take y'all down to the beach with me, because it's hella cute down there. It's like little stairs right here, and I'm going down. And then we have some rocks right here, but this water, y'all, this water feels so good. Ooh. Whew. It's not cold, which is amazing. It's like lukewarm. Oh my god, there are so many crabs on the rocks. I'm gonna see if I could show y'all. If y'all see anything over there moving, it's a crab. Like right here. See, disappeared. I'm trying to find another one that's moving. Okay, there he goes, there he goes. I take it back, y'all. The water isn't cold, but when you're supposed to like go in there below your waist, I mean the legs are fine, but when it's supposed to pass your waist, it feels hella cold. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie.
Nice to see you as well. You are technique.
Thank you.
I know.
Alright. I get you.
Anything you want to do. Anything you want to do. I'll use you.
Hi, sweetheart. Oh, y'all, I had a slight outfit change. It's a little dressy dress, but the sun is still out, so I had to put these glasses on. But the sea still looks great. And I'm feeling, for some reason, hearing the ocean for so long amount of time is, I don't know if it's that reason why I'm feeling sleepy, or if I'm feeling sleepy because the sun is so hot and it's like super warm out here. I don't know, but I'm feeling sleepy, y'all. How you? There's like an abandoned building behind me. Yeah. Hey y'all, this is Renee.
Hi YouTube.
She did her own hair, by the way. Give them a spin. This is some A1 $300 locks right here that she did by herself.
I definitely did it.
But yeah, it looks really good.
All because of her. Yeah, she inspired me, so I gave it a try and I made my own locks.
Yeah, they look really good. I ain't gonna lie. They look very professional. But yeah. But anyway, tell her bye. Bye. Hey y'all, what's good? Anyway y'all, I'm gonna close the video out right here because it's around 4 o'clock right now. We got here like 1:30. I hope y'all could hear me. But it's still super beautiful out here. Really still enjoying it. And it's nice. So anyway y'all, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Bye.